Hello everyone, Luke Smith here, and this is another old tech disassembly. This is another keyboard, Windows XP this time. As you can see from the port, still the old style port there, as you can see. Now it takes these screws here. If you can actually see it, little dumpy things. There's a ton of them in the back. Also with this one, I think this is one of the first ones that introduced them. If I can like zoom in here. And hopefully, I have taken all the screws out, by the way, hence that's why I showed you that. This one you can actually, if I can, there, you can take out the keys, because the keys come out with the actual keyboard. So if you want to clean the keyboard, and if you want to clean individually the keys, you have to stick that back in there. You will have to, well, you have to use a bit of force to get this back in. I'll sort it out later. Yeah, you'll have to take all the keys out. Right, first of all, take a picture of the keyboard. Right, some close-up shots. I've taken two. One of this bit, like one of the actual keys, and one of that side as well. So, because then you can actually see where they actually go afterwards, because there's so many keys. As you can see, there's a ton of screws in the back. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws in the back. That is so many. Ton of screws. Anyway, let's lift up the top. Yep, the keys, they actually sink in because they're attached to there like that. So you can just like pop them out. As you can see, this is the mechanism here. That's why you need to prise a screwdriver or something in between, but it's always best to take the enter key out first, and possibly that out, the space bar out as well. And then the other should just like come out really easily. But that is the top. Now as for this, this is how it's designed, how the new design is. What you can do, this is the actual component. You zoom in a little bit so I can actually show you. This is the components. It's actually got 3 layers. The first layer being this rubber mat, which, can I actually pull this off? Yeah, there we go. You can pull it off. Yeah, the first one being this rubber mat, which is basically a rubber connector. It is grimy. It needs to be sorted out, because to be honest, if I can actually clean this keyboard, I might as well sell it, because who uses that kind of keyboard anymore unless it's a really old style computer? I'm pretty sure someone uses the XP computers nowadays. Really depends. For this motherboard here, well, not motherboard, but for the board here, there are 3 screws connecting it, and you can take it out and it comes out with the wire as well. It's got the LEDs for the num lock, scroll lock, and caps, and the clips needed. I'll probably take that out later, but for now I will actually remove this bit here. Right, I need to quickly get this finished before I go out, because I've been asked to sort out a TV. This sheet, I've got to remember which way these were done. They are connected under there. so I can't really take them out, unfortunately. So if you wanted to take them out, you're going to have to undo that first and then take it out, because as you can see, these are both connected underneath the sheet. But that is basically it for this type of keyboard. I'm not gonna reassemble it on camera. I will just reassemble it off, but this is a disassembly video, not a reassembly video. So anyway, that was it for the keyboard disassembly of the Windows 98 Windows XP keyboard, or one of them, because there's loads of makes out. I will stick it back together soon, as soon as I get this other TV sorted out. And next time I will have something different. So until then, see you guys.